inspiration for starting my own business was just to overcome those barriers that came with motherhood. For me, it wanted to be a part-time job that revolved around my children, and thankfully it's turned into something more. As our business grew, I wanted to keep that concept of our business revolving around mum life. I made a decision that we would be employing more mums. I wanted a space where if you needed to bring your children to work, you could. If you wanted to change your working hours to work in the evening, you could. So this is my favourite part of the HQ. We encourage our mums to create selfies, get dolled up and send their photos in. Social media has been a huge impact on our business. At the moment, we're currently having about 80% of our sales come in through our website from Instagram alone. So that will give you a reflection on how important it is to our business. We've really hooked on to Insta stories to give our customers true behind the scenes footage of us and really allow them to get to know us. So when I started the Tired Mama collection, I didn't know much about business. I really had to take on lots of support from outside agencies. I had to use Business Wales. I have missed lots of bedtimes with my children. However, 2.5 years down the line, we're now in a position where my business now revolves around my family. So I really feel like those hard work and challenges has now paid off.